In this video, let me show you how to use the Cash App for DoorDash Driver Pay. Now, in order to receive your DoorDash Driver Pay directly into your Cash application, you can either use the free weekly direct deposit or the instant pay fast transfer. So if you're trying to use the free option, you need to set up the weekly deposits as I said. So you simply need to head over to your Cash app, head over to the money or the banking tab within the application, and then you simply need to tap on your routing and account number, which would then show your details, and which you could just head over to the DoorDasher application and then update your bank details. So this is the best way to do it if you're trying to use the free version, or if you want to set up the fast pay option, which is the instant cash out. You'd be able to head over to the card tab within the Cash Card application, and then you need to view the card details of your card, which is the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV security code, and then simply navigate to your Dasher app again, head over to the earnings tab. You'll be able to link your debit card as well. So using either of these methods, you'd be able to use the Cash app for DoorDash Driver Pay. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.